Hey there, future affiliate marketers. Ever dreamed of earning money online even while you sleep? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's like having your own online store, but without the hassle of inventory or shipping. You simply recommend products you love, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Imagine waking up to find commissions rolling in, all thanks to the magic of affiliate marketing. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Whether you're a blogger, social media enthusiast, or just starting your online journey, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your passions and earn passive income. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the process into simple, actionable steps so you can start your affiliate marketing journey with confidence. We'll explore everything from choosing a profitable niche to driving traffic and building trust with your audience. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. The first step to affiliate marketing success is choosing your niche. Your niche is your area of focus, the specific topic you'll be creating content around. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Why? Because you'll be spending a lot of time creating content, researching products, and engaging with your audience. Passion will fuel your efforts and make the journey much more enjoyable. Think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. What are you genuinely excited to learn about and share with others? Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech geek, or a passionate foodie. Whatever it is, your passion is the key to creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Remember, your niche should also be profitable. Research different affiliate programs and products within your niche to ensure there's potential for earning commissions. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen topic. Affiliate programs are partnerships between merchants and affiliates. That's you. As an affiliate, you promote the merchant's products or services, and in return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. There are countless affiliate programs out there, so it's essential to do your research and choose programs that offer products or services that are relevant to your niche. Competitive commission rates. Reliable tracking and payment systems. Some popular affiliate networks to explore include Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most diverse affiliate programs offering millions of products to promote. ShareASale, a reputable network with a wide range of merchants across various niches. CJ Affiliate, a well-established network known for its robust tracking and reporting tools. When choosing affiliate programs, it's crucial to prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on promoting products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Authenticity is key to building trust and credibility. Section 4. Crafting content that converts, engaging your audience. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. It's how you attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience into customers. Your content should provide value to your readers, answer their questions, and guide them towards making informed purchasing decisions. Here are some tips for creating high-quality content that converts. Write detailed product reviews. Share your honest opinions, highlight the pros and cons, and include high-quality images or videos. Create informative blog posts. Educate your audience about your niche, provide valuable tips and advice, and naturally weave in affiliate links where relevant. Craft engaging social media posts. Share eye-catching visuals, write compelling captions, and use a conversational tone to connect with your followers. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently. Be upfront with your audience that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your links. This builds trust and ensures you're complying with advertising regulations. Section 5. Driving traffic strategies for success. Creating great content is essential, but it's only half the battle. You also need to drive traffic to your website or affiliate links to generate clicks and ultimately, commissions. Here are some effective strategies to boost your affiliate marketing traffic. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Optimize your content for search engines like Google to rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to share your content. Engage with your audience and drive traffic to your website. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters or promotional emails to your subscribers, providing valuable content and promoting relevant affiliate products. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to driving traffic. Regularly publish new content, engage with your audience on social media, and nurture your email list to maintain a steady stream of visitors to your affiliate links. Section 6. Building trust. The foundation of affiliate marketing. Building trust with your audience is paramount to affiliate marketing success. People are more likely to purchase through your recommendations if they trust your judgment and believe you have their best interests at heart. Here are some ways to foster trust with your audience. Be authentic and transparent. Share your genuine opinions about products, disclose your affiliate relationships, and avoid making exaggerated claims. Provide valuable content. Focus on creating content that educates, informs, and helps your audience make informed decisions. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, participate in discussions, and build relationships with your followers. Remember, trust is earned over time. Consistently delivering high-quality content, being transparent, and genuinely engaging with your audience will establish you as a trustworthy source in your niche. Section 7. Conclusion. Embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing. You've learned the fundamentals of this exciting online business model and are now equipped with the knowledge to start your own journey. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and consistency. Choose a niche you're passionate about, find reputable affiliate programs, create valuable content, drive traffic to your links, and most importantly, build trust with your audience. The world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunities. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop learning. Now go out there and make those commissions.